What's up, YouTube? Just want to give you a quick walk around of the mini truck that we just finished up, or almost finished up. It's still got a few things left to get done. Andrew's coming to get it right now. He's going to do a lift, some interior bits, a few other things that are going to go on, and then it's going to come back and we're going to do a clean and walk around. But I just want to give one quick video before it heads out. So we did the whole thing in PTS green. This is a Porsche color. It's awesome. It's a very military style green, a solid. We did a black bed liner, which came out fantastic. Gloss black wheels with the yellow calipers. The whole interior was stripped out. So we did all the jams. All the interior, the customer requested that we did it in satin black. So you can see we did satin black on the full interior. Andrew got these reupholstered, the seats. So he is going to install those after he does, I believe he's doing Dynamat. So he's getting Dynamat, he's cleaning up the dash, he's doing the lift, and that's it. We painted all these parts, all the trim parts, the headache rack, trim, mirrors, bumper, any bezels, everything. I mean, everything got stripped and painted. This thing came out super clean. You guys can probably see the before video. It's on our page. This was much worse than the last mini truck that we did as far as condition. The doors were smashed in down here on both sides. There was dings, dents everywhere. The bed sides were super rough, just dings and wear and tear. This thing was not in primo condition, but really happy with how it came out. Again, there's a few goodies left to do, and then it will be finished up. We have another mini truck here, again from Andrew down at JDM Imports. So we're going to be doing Nardo Gray on this one, black bed liner. This one we're going to do bed liner just in the bed up to the back of the cab. The back of the cab is going to be painted. So we will do Nardo Gray jams. He's not stripping the full interior. He did get the seats redone, which came out awesome. But we're just going to be going up to this gasket here as far as the paint is concerned. Same on the door. So full jams, just not full interior paint. We do have another set of wheels that are going to be done in matte black. So all the trim on this is going to be done matte black and Nardo Gray. Cool little trucks. Love to see him. I mean, that one, at first, when I first saw the color, I was like, oh, I don't know, it's kind of boring, yada. Dude, it looks so sick. I mean, it's very, like I said, very military style, very, camo, just really cool looking. So if you guys need one of these trucks, hit up Andrew at JDM Imports. He will get you one of these trucks. If you need, he will take care of sourcing through us, all the paintwork and bodywork, all that good stuff. If you already have one of these trucks and you want to get a job done like this, just either hit him up or hit us up. It doesn't matter. We work well together. So hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.